My name is Dr. Sharde Harvey. I'm a general cosmetic and implant dentist. I practice at 121 East 60th Street in Manhattan. A case of someone that I know that I've changed their lives is a young man who came in with his jaw off to the side. I examined him and inquired about whether he had a car accident at any point in time. It came to light that he's never had a car accident. His jaw was just always like that. When he was a young boy, his jaw has always been off to the side. I looked at him, we took a CT scan for him. I didn't see any reason for why his jaw would be off to the side, except for the fact that the way that his teeth lined up. After I examined him, I said, I think that we can fix your smile and your jaw by realigning your teeth, because he had a crossbite on one side, which meant that his teeth were kind of like this, off to the side. After looking at the way his teeth came together, I realized that if I did Invisalign for him and realigned his teeth, then everything would line up and that actually shift his jaw back over. And I will tell you that I'm so happy that that patient placed his trust in me, because even after 6 weeks of him wearing Invisalign aligners, you could see his jaw starting to shift back over. Midway in his Invisalign treatment, his jaw almost completely back in alignment. So that's a case that I remember. It was a case that I wasn't sure we're going to be able to do, but after examining him, I was quite confident that we would be able to realign his jaw back into position. So that's a case that I feel really proud about.